Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. You can see here with the key fob I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. This has a brand new rear entry conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. Got handles on each side, I pinch and I flip and I take it down using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than most side entries, so you have more room for bigger chairs. If someone parks next to you in a side entry vehicle, you cannot get out of the vehicle. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, including snow drifts this time of year, and they're more affordable to convert. Therefore, more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the reasons I prefer the rear entry over the side, but we sell both. So if you're looking for a side entry, give me a call. 800-pound weight capacity, got about 55 inches of room coming inside the van, and then about 55 inches, get your console there, it might bring it down to 53 inches of headroom there in the middle. You have about 32 inches of clearance here where the ramp sets. It's got the 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney, or a stretcher. We can even put a third row flip base seat in here. Flip down when it's in use, flip back up out of the way when it's not in use, so you could potentially haul 6 people plus a wheelchair. Got your upgraded Q-strength tie downs. We throw those in at no additional charge to you. Got your spare tire back here, and we can even put flip base seats in. There's about 20 inches of room between these seats. If you need more room, we got seats that'll flip up on their side. Let us know your measurements. Let us know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. It's got the rear air control. You can see the rear air vents back here. Got your vents right there. Got your tie down instructions and warranty information. Real nice center console. It's got the dual climate control. It's got your heated seats and steering wheel. If you've never had a heated steering wheel before, it'll change your life, I promise. It's a pretty neat design. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. And you can operate the power sliding doors from the console up top there. And as you exit the vehicle, just reverse the process. Again, one finger, that's all it takes. Check it out. Lift, clamp, and clamp there, and you're ready to roll. You can also shut the trunk here with this button as well. So a quick walk around the van. It's got tinted windows, it's got alloy wheels. The rear tires are about 8/32, so there's quite a bit of tread left on them. And those are a Douglas brand tire. Both rear tires are Douglas brand. The front are BF Goodrich. So it does have matching tires on the front, match the front, rear match the rear. But there's 2 different sets of tires on here. If you want us to get 4 matching tires or even brand new tires on here, we can. It will come on your dime, but so let me know. But it's got good tires on it and good name brand tires on it. As we do our walk around here, you can see it's a very clean van. I'm looking for little dents or little scratches. They are hard to find. This van's been very well taken care of. I did see, I forgot to show you, I saw a little crack on the back. I remember seeing a little crack right there, okay? Probably someone threw a piece of luggage or something in here, so definitely nothing major. And a few scrapes along, so they're probably, like I said, hauling luggage back here or something like that. Every vehicle, with 49,000 miles on it, it's gonna have a few little issues. The only difference is I'm honest enough to tell you about them. So always make sure you get a video of this VIN sticker. Why it is, make sure the vehicle is here in my possession. That sticker right there means I've got it here with me. This is not some internet scam. Alright, well, we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles. Carfax has one owner, no accidents or damage. Last owned as a personal vehicle in the salt rust-free Kentucky. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. And they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. This van does meet the specs to still be under the 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty from Dodge. And as we scroll down here, you can see, like I said, the vehicle is owned here in Kentucky. And no matter who you do business with, look them up online. Check out the reviews and ratings. Look at us on eBay. 1,448 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's 100%. That's a pretty darn good reviews. Whoever you're going to do business with, also find them on Google. First of all, make sure they are a real company, that you're not getting scammed. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews on Google. I hear people, they oftentimes tell me how they found a van on Craigslist or Facebook from a private individual, a deal that was just too good to be true. Well, guess what? It turned out that it was too good to be true. They end up getting scammed out of their life savings. They end up buying a complete lemon, a van they can't even get a title for, you name it. I've heard it all. Or they buy from these dealers online, a lot of them on the East Coast, with 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews. They end up buying a van with salvage title they didn't know about, flood damage, frame damage, mechanical issues. Again, I've heard it all. So if you want 1 and 2 and 3-star vans, buy from those 1 and 2 and 3-star dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to speaking with you. Okay, back to the van. When we got the doors locked, you hit the remote start button twice. It'll beep at you twice. It'll fire right up. So whether you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van in the summertime, or if this time of year you want to come out to a nice defrosted van with that heated seats and heated steering wheel ready to go, you've got that option. We've got the power seats, got the black leather. They work good. Got the black leather interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. And if you're going to use it commercially, you're going to open the doors a lot. You can always turn the power doors off, open them quickly, and don't risk breaking anything, the door motors or anything like that. Back here, much of the same, very clean. Just give you a little show of what the back looks like. I know a lot of you may have never seen inside a wheelchair mobility accessible van, so I'm going to show that to you. And then when you hop in the van, just turn the van on officially. You can see all the dummy lights work and they all go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag. 49,867 miles. Got your backup camera. Got our dual climate control like I mentioned. Show you it's got the navigation as well. So fully loaded here. Got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors and windows. I'm going to show you those working right now. We tested the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Replace fluids as necessary. Taking them on a road test, check the tires. And my point is, we do not just run these through the car wash and throw them on the lot. I'm even going to show you the back vents back here working. See those opening and shutting? So I hope you can tell by our video, but we're very thorough in everything we do. Underneath the hood, it's got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or any fluid leaks, no signs of any rust from being in a flood or being up north. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's only got 49,000 miles on it, they assume because it looks good in pictures, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. They assume it's got a clean title. That is the most dangerous thing you can do. Do not assume things. And what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. That's right, I am sending you to their website. And what I want to ask you is, do they show you the reputation online so you know you're buying from a reputable dealer? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know when you're buying a vehicle it's got a clean title with no damage? Do they get down on their hands and knees? Do they even bother taking pictures of the undercarriage, much less a detailed video? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to how thorough they are in showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please, I beg you, compare me to the competition. You know what ends up happening if you end up buying a van that's got some frame damage, whether it's from an accident or rust? It may not pass inspection in your state. If it won't pass inspection, you just bought a van you can't even drive. So do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into it, like I do in every single one of my videos. If they're asking for you to spend thousands of dollars buying it sight unseen, tell them to get out their behinds and put some work into it. Second, demand a Carfax report, not some knockoff. I know Carfaxes are very expensive. I spend thousands of dollars a month on Carfaxes, but I want to know what I'm buying before I buy, and more importantly, I want you to know what you're getting. Third, we discussed this a little bit. Get online, find out who you're buying from. As a buyer, do your due diligence. Don't get scammed. Make sure they are a real company. Look up their reviews and ratings. And finally, demand a warranty. This being a 2019 meets the specs to be into the 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty until 2024 when it will end. So let's get it out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway. Give them some gas so you can hear the engine run. feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure it's roadworthy. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Popped it up to about 70 miles an hour. Good acceleration, runs and drives real nice down the highway. Do keep in mind, it does meet the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Dodge. We do offer long-term extended warranties that are bumper-to-bumper type. Good anywhere in the country. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees, by the time you add up the shipping costs, that real nice price you saw online jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about those hidden fees and the shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but I know in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video. So if someone's not being honest enough to tell you about all their hidden fees, there's a really good chance there's other things they're hiding. So be aware of that when you're out shopping. If you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Now, if texting is easier for you or just more convenient, here's my cell phone, 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. And as I came down the ramp, nice hard brake. There was no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So runs and drives like a brand new van, dang near. And I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask you if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, you're sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super pushy used car salesman, give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country. Whether standard or mobility vehicle, call me. I can explain how all that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but it's a lot of information, and it's a big purchase. I understand that. If you do ever want to come in, please, please, please make an appointment with me. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. Sometimes I'm out doing things like this. Folks, you got to have an appointment. We're not sitting around all day with our feet up on a desk waiting for people to come in. We stay extremely busy, but we're very happy to spend some time with you. Call and make that appointment. And if you'd like to, we would really appreciate it if you give us a thumbs up here on the YouTube channel on our video. That'll help us out. And give us a follow if you want to be the first to see our inventory and our videos. Follow us. You'll be the first one to see all those coming out. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free Carfax reports, free shipping, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.